Dr. Randy Moze. I'm the owner and doctor of chiropractic at Back to Health, the area's only ProAdjuster clinic. Here's what some of my patients have to say.
I've been coming to see Dr. Randy for about 6 months now. I've had scoliosis most of my life. I was diagnosed when I was 12, and so I've had issues with my back and neck for years. The first time I came to see Dr. Randy, I knew about the ProAdjuster and I knew that was what he was going to use. And I came thinking that I didn't really have anything to lose and I had everything to gain, and I really didn't have huge expectations. At that point, I had been having low back pain almost every day for about 3 years, and then I had recently pulled something in my shoulder for which I had not found any relief, and then occasionally I would have pretty severe monthly headaches. So I came to see him thinking, you know, we'll see how it goes, and within the first few hours my back didn't hurt, my shoulder didn't hurt. I thought maybe the pains would come back within half a day or another day or 2 or 3 days, and they really didn't. And I started seeing him pretty regularly, and now 6 months later I'm mostly pain-free. Instead of taking ibuprofen 2 or 3 times a day, I'm taking it 2 or 3 times a month. I hardly ever have my monthly headaches at all, not even a little bit. My shoulder pain is gone, and I would just recommend Dr. Randy Back to Health and his ProAdjuster for anyone with low short-term pain, long-term pain, and just who is wanting a better quality of life.
Well, I've been coming to Dr. Randy on the advice of a very good friend of mine from church for about 3.5 weeks. I've had chronic neck and mid-back and lower back issues for quite some time. I had lower back surgery 4 years ago and always have little flare-ups. I'm going to try the non-medical route and go see this chiropractor and see if I can get some relief. And I came, and they were wonderful from the first day here. They took 2.5 hours with me like I was the only patient in the world. That made me feel so good, to feel like he was really interested in my overall well-being and my health and getting back to the way people are supposed to feel. I had been living with this chronic pain for so long, my body had adapted to it. I didn't realize that you were supposed to feel good. I just give him a thumbs up all the way around, and I'm very thankful he's here and grateful for being able to come to him.
I've been coming to Dr. Moze for about 2 months now, and I was referred by a friend who told me, because of my back and neck issues, that this could really help me with the ProAdjuster. I was curious what a ProAdjuster was, and I've since found out how wonderful it works. I was having a lot of neck and back issues from a past Jeep wreck that resulted in a concussion. Also falling down my steps, which caused my neck to stiffen, and it was hard for me to turn side to side. There was less mobility. He was doing the neck recurve because my neck was practically straight. Because of the neck recurve, I now have a curved neck again. I mean, you can feel the actual curve in the neck. It's not straight and it's not compressing to cause a lot of the headaches and a lot of the tension, the upper back issues, and it's just amazing what's happened. There are a couple of other issues that I was experiencing with this time of my life, with menopausal symptoms coming on. I was having a lot of night sweats, hot flashes. My husband calls tropical vacations, that I wish they were. But since having the Pro adjustments, I'm not having any more night sweats. I'm sleeping completely through the night. I am astonished with the results of the ProAdjuster and Dr. Moze's technique.
Take charge of your health at Back to Health, the area's only ProAdjuster clinic. Back to Health is located at 1617A West Market Street in Johnson City, directly across the street from Bank of America in the Westtown Pharmacy Center.